This cover is loose. Oh, let's see, where did that screwdriver set go? I'm pretty sure I put it in here. Let's see. Well, at least I thought it was in here. It's the only place I can remember putting it last. Well, it doesn't look too bad loose, I guess. Screwdriver sets are pretty handy when you can find them. So next time you can't, just go ahead and use a coin. They fit many different types of screws. They are easy to use and they are so easy to find in a pinch. I should probably think about getting up pretty soon. I wonder what time it is. Even reasonably lit alarm clocks can be harsh on early morning eyes, but no worries, I got a solution. Just measure and cut some tissue paper to fit over the lights on your alarm clock. Then take some tape, I chose washi tape of course, and tape the tissue paper over the alarm clock lights. Keep in mind that the darker tissue paper you use, the less light is going to shine through from the clock. I chose this purple tissue paper because it lessened the brightness without lessening the clarity of the numbers. See the difference? Oh no, my key! I left it in the car! Start using a necklace chain or lanyard to wear your car key. I also like to wear my house key. All you have to do is slip the keys onto the necklace chain like you would a necklace charm, and you're done. I've been using this hack for about 5 years now, and ever since I started using it, I've never been locked out again. I personally don't even like people to know that I'm wearing the key, so what I like to do is after I've slipped the chain around my neck, then I just go ahead and put it on the inside of my shirt. Depending on the color of chain or lanyard that you chose and the outfit you're wearing, it can be pretty much invisible. Simple and convenient. I think it's snack time. A pepper with hummus. Let's see, cutting board. Oh, I think I let Alyssa borrow that cutting board. Well, not a problem. If I'm really careful, I'll just cut on the counter. Since when has my best knife been this dull? next time you can't find a cutting board or a decent knife, or both, just use a pair of scissors. Either give an old pair a good scrubbing or set aside a pair for this task exclusively. They are so convenient for cutting up tough foods like peppers, onions, other veggies and fruits, and even meats like turkey bacon. I noticed that whenever I used scissors to cut up a food, it went a lot faster and I had a lot more control over what I was cutting. I sure do love entertaining. I just wish it didn't make so many dirty dishes. Oh well, it comes with the territory, I guess. Save yourself a lot of time and energy next time you host by buying nice storage containers that could pass for serving bowls. Skip the serving bowls and just put them straight into your nice storage containers during the meal, and just whisk them onto the table. After the meal, just pop on the lids and you're done. Just be sure nobody ate directly out of them during the meal. You'll enjoy faster put away and half the washing. You're welcome.